In this video, I'm going to give you a walkthrough and tour of my 200 square foot infinite veranda stateroom here on board the world's newest cruise ship, Celebrity Excel. I will show you this entire beautiful stateroom, and then after we will go over the pricing in the event that you want to call this infinite veranda stateroom your home for your next vacation. And in the event you do, make sure you call our amazing travel agent sponsor over at Lux Rally. They will make sure you get the best deal possible, as well as the best experience so that you can have a vacation of a lifetime. Link in the description box below. Okay, so we're gonna try to get this done in 1 or 2 takes. So I'm on deck 11, cabin 194. Welcome to the 200 square foot infinite veranda stateroom. Now, as you can see, very beautiful, very large and in charge, very spacious. Over here to the immediate right, we do have the bathroom. And as you can see, it is extremely spacious, very, very well designed. We'll walk in, of course, you have a sink, a little bit elongated seat, very, very nice. Your shelf space over here, all of your soaps, your glasses, everything you'd really need over in this area. Some additional cubbies, trash can. You have the plug or outlet over here, your towels, and of course you got the shower here, which is very, very, very spacious, very nicely done, very well designed, and of course your porcelain throne. Now, as we work our way out, you have the control panel here. Now, if we press this, of course, you can turn the temperature up or down, whatever it is you'd like. There's also additional features, but on the main display here, you have all of the lighting features, and then I'll show you this in a bit, but essentially what this does is close the blinds over here on the veranda. Over here, you have a very well-designed storage area. So all of these guys here open up to reveal lots and lots of storage space. And here you have some additional items here, binoculars, you have your umbrella, additional towels, and on this side, we have the main closet area. So as you can see, plenty of hangers. You have your safe, drawers right here, and your robes, and you have your mirror in case you need to make sure you're looking good before you go out. Now, as we work our way around, you have your lamp here, you have your Evian water, and this here is your room service sheet, as well as the mini bar sheet. So all of this is going to be an additional cost, and that is all, of course, connected to this guy here. Now, this is empty at the moment, but there will be items in there, all types of snacks and cookies and cakes and soda pops. And well, again, this is going to be the list here. And then, of course, you also have your in-room dining and room service. Right here, you can see you have plenty of drawer space, so you can put all of your clothing and whatever it is that you need up nice and neat. Here you have a charging station with everything that you could possibly need. European charger, you have your 2 American outlets, and you also have, yes, a USB port and a USB-C port. Over here you have a vanity mirror. The light switch for it is right here. Working desk area, or if you want to put makeup on, this is where you'd be. You have a nice comfortable chair that does pull out. And right here behind me, you do have a couch that does turn into a bed, by the way. This infinite veranda does house up to 4 people. So you could have 2 people on the bed. You could also have 2 people over here and sleep comfortably and enjoy your cruise. Also, if you're staying with 2 people and you don't want to share the bed, they can separate this area. Now, as we work our way over here to the lamp, well, yes, you have a night lamp over here, but you also have more outlets, American outlets. You have USB, USB-C. And I believe they also have it on the other side. And yes, of course, this is a king-size bed that is very, very comfortable. Oh, no, they don't have them. Sorry, guys. But they do have another lamp here, and this is your phone. In the event you want to call room service or you want to make a reservation, you can certainly do so. The time has come. Let's check out the infinite veranda. So these shutters do open and close, as you can see, and they're very smooth. They don't have to push too hard to open or close them. But this does reveal your very beautiful 42 square foot veranda. For those that don't know, this is essentially like a balcony hybrid feature. A lot of people really seem to love this, and they feel like they have more of an enclosed space while also being able to get a nice view outside. You have your 2 chairs here, you have your table, and what this does is it's like a makeshift balcony. So you have your large window where you can get beautiful views, but if we press this button here, what it will do is roll down this window and essentially makeshift into a very beautiful, very functional balcony area. Also, remember the control panel I showed you here. You do have different modes, but essentially what it will do is pull this shade down here. So if you want additional space without having to pull the entire doors closed here, you can do so. Now, as far as the pricing, well, I cannot give you an exact dollar amount because naturally there are factors when it comes to a cruise, like the demand, the time of year, and of course the itinerary. The average price to stay in this 200 square foot infinite veranda stateroom costs anywhere between $700 to $1,200 per person per cruise. Now, do keep in mind this ship is currently going to be sailing sailing out of Port Everglades and doing 7-night itineraries going to the Eastern and Western Caribbean. There is also another element like the essentially tier list for this Infinite Veranda cabin. For example, you can get something called Concierge Class, in which they give you a bunch of extra bells and whistles. For example, they change the bedding around to make the room look a little nicer. They change some of the amenities in like the bathroom to make the room look nicer. You have a special lunch, special events, and well, it's just a different experience. And in terms of cost, it will be a couple $100 extra per person. Anywho, that's what we have for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you want to book, make sure you check out Lux Rally pinned in the description box as well as the comments below. I appreciate you guys. I'll see all of you later. Take it easy.